I'm Lux and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about time in Chinese. Let's start with learning how to express the days of the week in Chinese. It's a simple formula, week plus numbers. First, we need to know the Chinese phrase for week. There are three commonly used phrases by native speakers: 星期, 礼拜, and 周. Then, according to the formula mentioned before, you simply add the corresponding number to the chosen phrase for week. I'll give you an example to help you understand. In China, culturally, Monday is considered the first day of the week and is represented by the number 1, which is 一 in Chinese. So let's just use one of the three week phrases. I'll use 星期 here. Then, by combining 星期 and the number 一, we will get the expression for Monday, which is 星期一. Pretty straightforward, right? This logic applies to Tuesday through Saturday as well. The Chinese numbers from 1 to 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, Tuesday is 星期二, Wednesday 星期三, Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, and Saturday is 星期六. Sunday is a little different since it is not represented by the number 7 in Chinese, so there is no 星期七 in Chinese. Instead, we add either the character 日 or 天 to 星期 and become 星期日 or 星期天. The same logic applies to the other two phrases 礼拜 and 周. Look at this chart here. From Monday to Saturday, you just simply follow the formula. For Sunday, 礼拜 is the same as 星期. You can say either 礼拜日 or 礼拜天. But if you use 周, you can only say 周日 for Sunday. These three phrases are interchangeable, but 礼拜 is definitely more commonly used in spoken Chinese than written Chinese. Also, I would like to share with you a cool Chinese phrase that refers to weekends. The phrase is 周末, and it's comprised of two characters. The character 周 means week, while the character 末 signifies the end or conclusion of something. Therefore, 周末 denotes the period of time at the end of the week, commonly known as weekends. Now let's practice pronouncing the expressions for the days of the week. If you need the chart, feel free to take a screenshot and please read after me. 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期日, 星期天, 礼拜一, 礼拜二, 礼拜三, 礼拜四, 礼拜五, 礼拜六, 礼拜日, 礼拜天, 周一, 周二, 周三, 周四, 周五, 周六, 周日, 周末, 周末. At this point, are you curious about how to ask for the day of the week in Chinese? The typical way to do so is by using the phrase 今天星期几, which translates to what is the day of today. 今天 refers to today, while 几 is one of the very commonly used interrogative pronouns in Chinese. It's used to ask about a number, usually less than 10. Similarly, you can also ask using phrases like 今天礼拜几 or 今天周几. To respond, you just need to state the day of the week in Chinese. Very simple and straightforward. Next, let's talk about how to express the flow of time in Chinese, in particular, the flow of the week. The center of the timeline represents the present moment, which is this week. We can say 这个星期, and 个 can be omitted in this case and become 这星期. 这个星期, 这星期, both expressions are correct. To refer to last week and next week, we will use the antonyms 上 and 下. Although 上 and 下 originally means up and down, they can also indicate last and next respectively in many cases. For instance, last week translates to 上个星期 and next week translates to 下个星期. Once again, 个 in both phrases can be dropped, especially for spoken Chinese, and 星期 can also be replaced by 礼拜 and 周. Now, after understanding the logic, let's practice pronouncing these expressions. Please read after me. 这个星期，这个礼拜，这周。上个星期，上个礼拜，上周。下个星期，下个礼拜，下周。In this video, we pretty much covered everything related to the days of the week that you need in real-life conversations. In the next video, we'll continue talking about time in Chinese, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.